How's it going? Just back with another quick unboxing. This is the Akaso dual battery charger. It comes with two batteries for the Akaso EK7000 action camera. I ordered it off of Amazon. I paid my own money for it. You can see it's pretty no frills. Comes with a charger, just like the one that came with the action camera, capable of charging two batteries. It also came with two extra batteries. There's slightly different markings than the ones that came with the Akaso, but they do have the Akaso logo on them. And I've tried them in my camera, and they work just as fine as the original batteries that came with the camera. And it comes with the micro USB charging cable, just like the one that comes with the action camera. Anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.